If you are trying to get more viewers on Twitch right now, you are probably doing one thing wrong. You are relying on Twitch to grow you. And that's the biggest mistake you can make in 2026. Twitch is not designed to push small streamers. When you go live, you are placed into a category that is sorted by view account. If you have 5 viewers and the streamer above you has 20, you are buried. So if Twitch is not going to bring you viewers, where do they come from? You build your own traffic. The fastest way to get more viewers on Twitch is by using short form content. Every stream should produce clips, funny moments, big reactions, higher energy gameplay. Post those clips on YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Those platforms have discovery. Twitch does not. Now, let's talk about what happens when someone actually clicks your stream. This is where most people lose viewers. If someone clicks your stream and you are not talking, they leave. If your energy is low, they leave. If your setup looks dark or your audio sounds bad, they leave. Retention is everything. You need to talk constantly. Narrate your gameplay, react to everything. Even if chat is quiet, you create the energy. Because when someone new joins, they need to feel something immediately. Your stream title also plays a big role. Do not use generic titles. Instead of saying playing Fortnite, say something that creates curiosity or urgency. Give people a reason to click. Next is category strategy. If you are streaming in a massive category with thousands of streamers, you are almost invisible. Try streaming in a smaller or mid-sized category where you can rank higher and be seen. Consistency is another key factor. If you stream randomly, viewers cannot build a habit around you. If you stream at the same time every day, your audience starts showing up automatically. Now let's talk about engagement. When someone joins your stream, acknowledge them, say their name, ask them a question, make them feel like they are a part of your stream. This is how you turn viewers into regulars, and regulars are what grow your channel. Finally, think long term. Most streamers quit too early. They go live for a few weeks, see no growth, and stop. But growth on Twitch comes from consistency, improvement, and building a system. If you combine external traffic, strong retention, and consistent streaming, your viewers will increase. Not overnight, but steadily. And that is how real Twitch growth happens. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like, share, and subscribe. And also comment your Twitch name so we can check you out. Hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day.